Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin on Moonpay. For that, first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account if you haven't already. Then here on the home page itself, you are going to see this section that says Moonpay account. Over here, you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you basically own in your Moonpay account, including Bitcoin. So since we want to send Bitcoin, we will be only taking a look at Bitcoin over here. You can click on the option of view all in order to see all of the assets that you have in your Moonpay account. So here right next to the Bitcoin, you are going to see this type of copy button. So you can simply tap on this copy button in order to get the address of your Bitcoin. Now you can also tap on the three dots right next to it and click on the option of send. Once you do this, it is going to show you the amount of Bitcoin that you have in your account. Then it is going to ask you to select the recipient's address. So in order to do it, simply click on this option. Then here on this page, in order to provide the address, you need to open that particular wallet or that particular exchange of yours in which you want to basically send your cryptocurrency or send your Bitcoin from Moonpay. So let's say in my case it is Trust Wallet. So in your Trust Wallet, you need to simply search for BTC. So once you find BTC, you need to simply tap on it. Then click on the option of this copy button, which is a receive button. After that, you need to copy this address from here. So once you get this address, you need to come here on Moonpay, paste the address here in this section, then click on the option of continue here on the bottom. After that, on the next page, you need to simply just conclude your payment after entering the amount that you want to send, and then you need to confirm your transaction. So once your transaction is completed in Moonpay, within just 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to get it in your wallet or in your exchange. You can also track your transaction with the help of the history tab that they have given here inside your Moonpay account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.